Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We just got the latest from the Going Gear EDC Club. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so this month is April, and they just sent this out, and it's coming with 3 different items and then a couple Going Gear stickers. So let me show you the Going Gear stickers. That's what they look like, so cool. Let's see, it says the Going Gear EDC Club, and then the first one is from Dango Products, the D01 Dapper Waller. Now, I think it's supposed to be a wallet, not a waller, but we'll see. Maybe it's the waller. Yeah, it's called the Dapper Wallet right there. So I think they just misprinted that unless there's some play on words or something. So let me open this up. So this is what it looks like. It says the D01 Dapper Wallet, sable black, genuine leather on satin silver anodized aluminum chassis. So on the bottom, RFID secured, multi-tool made in the USA, TSA without the multi-tool, from Dango Products. So we'll take this off, take a look inside here. So it's got some instructions on how to use it. It's got a bottle opener, loophole, glass breaker, silicone band, RFID secure backplate, push notch. So thank you for choosing Dango Products, dangoproducts.com. There's the back side of the business card. And then here's the actual wallet. And then it says spec out your Dango wallet with additional wallet parts and accessories at dangoproducts.com. Looks similar to some other, these minimalist wallets where you basically are going to put your cards and things in here. And then you've got this. Let's see if I can figure it out. All right, so you have a lip around the whole edge like this, and then this side is open. So you're going to push the card here, and then you'll be able to draw the card out like so. Definitely super, super lightweight and very nicely made, I can tell you. Very slick. Let me grab my scale here. So I'll turn the scale on here and give you the weight in ounces. It is 2.265 ounces, so super lightweight. I would definitely call it a minimalist wallet, but it's pretty big. Sometimes they're really small. This is a nice size. Holds up to 8 cards, and yeah, got leather and then this rubberized. So I'm figuring this out as we go along here. But this, like I said before, is the D01. The T01 down on the bottom there has the multi-tool included, and so you can see there's like a little serrated thing here. It looks like some sort of bottle opener or can opener, and then like a little what it says, silicone band, glass breaker, a couple other things. So looking at this one, you put your cards and stuff in there. We've got the lanyard, so it looks like you can run it through there. Looks like you could probably use that, or maybe even that as a bottle opener, and then I'm assuming that's going to be your glass breaker if you strike like this against glass. So yeah, definitely nicely made. Pretty impressed. I've never heard of these guys before, so yeah, I'm liking this thing a lot. So their value for this one is $69, so you're already above what you're paying for the monthly EDC club from Going Gear. Let's see what the other items are. Now they did throw this in just for free. It says, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, shipping has been delayed and our local printing partner has been closed. We hope everyone is staying safe. So they just tossed this in for kicks. It's a hand spinner, a little fidget spinner. The other item in this is valued at $29.95. It's this. It's the S1 Ti scale or scout. It's a titanium nano exchange blade folding knife. That's a lot of words right there. Open this up here. Looks like we got an extra surgical blade right here, so be careful with that. And then you've got this, so let's move that. Pop this out here. So very slick and compact, extremely lightweight. So it looks like there's your blade on that side. Let's open this up carefully. There it is. I mean, this thing is like a tiny little, it's a surgical blade. It's a extremely sharp stainless steel blade, and that thing is very compact. That's very slick. I mean, if you're into EDC stuff, this is one you're probably going to want to check out. So this is called, well, again, the S1. And yeah, super cool. Super. I mean, this is, you're not going to be doing feather sticks and carving with this thing, but very, very cool little item right there. I like that thing a lot. Throw that on a keychain. Obviously, with something that sharp, you want to be careful that it doesn't accidentally open. But it feels pretty secure in there. Like, it definitely takes a bit of a pull to get that thing to open up. So you could throw that on a keychain. You got the K for Klarus up there, right on the pivot. Slick little item. $29.95. I think for some people they're going to say that's too expensive for this tiny little item, but it's definitely cool. I like that thing. Pretty slick. So there you have it, the Going Gear EDC Club for April. We've got a total of value at $69. We'll call that $70 plus the knife at $30, and then the fidget spinner is free. So you're looking at $100 of value. So you're definitely getting more value than you are investing in this. I do want to mention real quick, you do have a little split ring, so you can attach that to your keychain as far as the S1 nano knife. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. These are definitely unique. I mean, I would never have ever heard of that little knife from Klarus, I don't think. And Dango definitely makes a cool looking wallet, so I'll be interested to test that thing out. I'm a big fan of Travax and the wallets they made, so this one, definitely going to take it for a test and see what we think about it. But let's hear your thoughts. What do you think about this month's supply of gear coming from Going Gear? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.